Good morning. My name is Miss Pam from Imagine Children's Museum, and I'm so glad you decided to join me again today for Little Science Lab's Astonishing Air. Last week we talked about how air is everywhere, and this week we're going to be talking about how air takes up space. So today I want you to get out your funnel bag. You're going to need your little magic bubbles. You'll need your 2 paint cups, green and blue. You'll need your yellow construction paper, and in your Ziploc bag there's a big piece of bubble wrap and a small piece of bubble wrap. You'll want both of those and 2 ear swabs. Today we're going to be painting, so you might want to sit at the table because paint can be messy. You might want a paper towel for fingers as well. So I have a question for you. I am wondering what you think might happen if I were to put air in my funnel bag. You're right. We would inflate it. That's our word. My I word is inflate. Can you say it with me? Inflate. So I'm going to put some air in it and see how much air. Oh my goodness! I have air inside of my bag. I can't see the air because the air is invisible, but I know that it's in there because it's taking up space in my funnel bag. What do you think would happen if I were to let go of this hand right here? Should we find out? Let's find out. Oh, wait a minute. Where'd all of our air go? It's gone. The bag is deflated. All of the air escaped and the bag is deflated. When the air goes in, it becomes inflated. When the air goes out, it's deflated. Let's try it one more time. How else could you deflate it? You're right. You could run around and capture the air beside your chair or over the sofa. You could capture the air under the table. See if you can capture some air. I'm going to try this way. Did you inflate your bag? I did too. Yeah. Let's see if we can deflate them together. There it goes. Is the bag deflated? It is. Is your bag deflated? Excellent. All right. I have a game for you. I want you to get out your bubbles. And you're going to take the little bubble tool off of the lid, real gentle, and take the lid off. Yeah, take the lid off. And then I am wondering what happens. What's your prediction when I put my wand into the magic bubble mix? If I blow on it, what's going to happen? You're right. We're going to make bubbles. Can you make bubbles with me? Oh my goodness. Lots of bubbles. What happens if you blow really, really hard? Ooh. Little bubbles. What happens if you blow really, really soft? Oh my gosh. Let's see if we can make a big, huge bubble by blowing soft. Oh. Oh, did you see? There was a bubble that was inflated, sticking to my table, and then it, pop, it deflated. Exactly. Let's see what happens if I can catch it on my hand. What's happening? The dry surface makes them pop. It breaks them. Yep. So the dry surface will make them pop. Bubbles are always round. Yep. Once they're in the air, they are always round. Can you blow some more bubbles? I'm going to put my bubbles away while you blow another bubble or two. And then I've got a project for us. Are you ready? All right. This is so much fun. Let's get out your yellow construction paper. I'm going to put a piece of paper under mine so I don't make a mess. Get out your yellow construction paper and your paints and your swabs and your 2 pieces of bubble wrap. Using your big one, I want you to just rub gently and see if you can feel What do you feel when you rub that bubble wrap? It is kind of bumpy. What do you think is making it bumpy? There are bubbles in there, you're right, and it's full of air, so they are inflated. Let's see if we can, with your small piece, grab it and see if you can, oh, I just popped it. I deflated the bubble wrap. Let's try it again, you do it. Oh, another one. Yep, there's lots of bubbles to deflate. Let's see if we can make a bubble wrap print today. We're going to use our big piece of bubble wrap, and let's take the lids off of our paints. I put my picture on a piece of paper so that I could keep the mess contained. And then you're going to put a ear swab in each of the paints, and you can add paint to your bubble wrap however you desire. You can add as much paint or as little paint as you want. I'm going to add a little bit of blue in here too, because blue and green together, in my opinion, looks beautiful. You can add as much paint as you want. Then we're going to take our yellow construction paper and gently set on top. Tap it real soft and pick it up, and look at what I got. I have a bubble wrap print. Would you like to do this? You can add as much paint as you would like. You can add more or less, and then you can fill up your page with bubble wrap prints. Our time together is just about done. I sure am glad that you came and visited with me today. It was so fun to learn about inflate and deflate. We'll look forward to seeing you another time.